Hey, to turn on always on display on the Realme 12 5G, first of all, we have to go into the Google Play Store and download external application because as default, the always on display is not available on the smartphone. So go into the search and input AOA application. Input this phrase. And this is actually the application that I can highly recommend you to download. AOA always on display. So click on the install button. Now we just have to wait for this downloading process. And now click to open. Next, click to let's go. Click to allow now. And from this screen, select AOA and enable to display over other apps. Then go back. Now let's grant the notification access. So click to allow now, select AOA, click on this notification access, and then just go back. Go back again. And now let's try if it actually works. So let's lock the screen. Okay, and as you can see right now, you can find always on display on the Realme 12 5G. This notification will actually disappear forever when you first double tap on the screen. And now when we lock this one more time, as you can see, there we got the always on display. Also, you can change the brightness. So when you go here and go, for example, into the customization or service, I believe. Yeah, right here we got the service, so we can actually increase the brightness. And now when we lock this one, it will look more brighter. So that's how we can do this. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.